What is up, guys? Adrian here from Mosh TV. I am at Universal today, but we're not going in the park. Today we're doing something a little bit different and something that's free. We're going to be watching AEW today. So I can't record in there, but I can kind of give you guys a rundown of what everything's like. So with all that being said, let's roll that intro. Alright guys, so we just walked from the front gate. Over here is where you're going to go to enter. So we're going to start walking this way now. Alright guys, so we're going right into Soundstage 19. Guys, we are here. Audio might sound a little weird. I took the mic off. I'm not going to record much when we're in here. I'm just going to take a bunch of pictures. But we are ringside. Very exciting. Alright guys, so we finished the first session, and I gotta say, that was pretty awesome, I'm not gonna lie. My first time watching wrestling since like 2012, and it was awesome, I'm not gonna lie. I was able to see a bunch of people I thought I could see, like Orange Cassidy was out there, the Dark Order. Now I'm not gonna say who won, but I hope you guys like the pictures that I put up from inside of there. Now when we go in for the second session, which is from 7 to 10, I will record what it looks like on the inside so you guys can check that out. But it was a lot of fun so far. Now we're gonna keep it going because we have the next session. So let's have some fun. It is now time for the second taping. We're now waiting to get in. Very exciting.
I'm cool, baby.
Alright guys, so this is what the inside looks like, just so you guys get a nice little view.
202 pounds, Adam Cole!
Alright guys, and that's a wrap from today. I had a really fun time going to my first wrestling event in years. I loved AEW. It was perfect. It's everything I wanted to do, everything I want to experience, and I had a blast. I actually got to take a picture with Orange Cassidy. I put it right there. It was phenomenal. I want to come back and do this again. Now the best thing about this is that it's free. So I'll link down the description for everything. What you have to do to get tickets in the future when they put tickets up again. They did say they will be coming back in February. So stay on the lookout for that. Now if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you want us to do next. Subscribe if you guys already haven't done so. And stay excellent, my dudes.